everybody's names in the hat. And Annika's going to pick who's the first draft pick. You ready, baby? She said I'm ready. You might grab the whole thing.
Whoa, just the number. Just pick a name.
Just pick one.
Just pick one. Just pick one.
She might get one. Oh, there you go. You got one.
She didn't pick it. You gotta pick it up. Pick one of you.
All right.
Who did you pick?
It looks like you picked
Janice with the first pick.
Yeah, she's first pick. You picked Grandma.
All right.
All right, next pick. This is for your second pick. Who you got? Okay.
Oh, you gotta pick one of them.
Pick him.
Pick one.
You got it.
You gotta just pick one.
All right, we gotta put him back because you got three there.
Just pick one this time.
All right, put those back. One.
One at a time.
You know one.
Just one. That's like all of them.
All right, we'll just pick.
All right.
All right, that one?
There you go.
Good job. This is the second pick. Who is it? Ready? Who is it?
Oh,
it's Steve. You picked Daddy. Where'd it go, Dad?
All right.
Who is that? This is third pick. Pick a name out. Just one. Not the hat. There you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, it looks like it's Rusty. Don't eat that. We'll let you have the last pick. Who do you got? You got a couple. Oh, look, you got one. Who is it? This is number 4. Oh, it's Heidi. Say Heidi. Okay. Good job. Keep going. This is 5th pick. Oh, good job. You're getting a hang of this. Who is it? It's Julie. It's Grandma. All right. We'll pick another one for number 6. Who's number 6? Okay, shake him up. Not the hat. Pick a paper. Good job. All right. This looks like it's Justin. Number 6. All right. Ben. Here you go, number 7. You got 2 there. You gotta try it again. Just one.
That's like...
I know, it's tough. It's tough. It's tough at picking out names, isn't it? Pick one. Look. Focus. Here, can I try it? Look. Pick one. Keep trying.
Oh, she got that one.
You got that one? Who's this? This is Charlie. It says Charlie. Okay. Try it again. What number are we on? 8?
This is number 8.
You got 2 there, so let's try
She
that.
got one.
All right, you picked this guy. This is Jerry. Jerry. That's Papa. All right, couple left. Just one. Okay, let's put those back. Let's try it again. You gonna pick Mom's name yet?
No.
Oh.
Might be her.
Nope. It's Jeannie. It's Jeannie. All right, you got a couple left. Ready? Good job. Oh, you picked Megan. Yeah, you got two left.
No, can't pick both.
Okay, try it again. Just one.
Okay.
Good job. You picked Brian.
And last one.
Last but not least. Come on. Annika. Annika. Oh. There you go. What's in there? Hey, Annika, what's in here? All right. You picked the last one? Is that Kitty? Let's look. It's Kitty.